A complete step-by-step tutorial on MailChimp for beginners to advanced level, or you can say this is a complete guideline for MailChimp users. I'm Borhanuddin with you on behalf of pages.com. First of all, we are going to discuss about signing up. This is very easy and very common like other sites that you need to have an email address or you need to put your first name, last name like these things. So let me open the Mozilla Firefox. On this is the home page of MailChimp. As you are watching or looking at the URL bar, here is the https /mailchimp.com. This is the home page, and on this page you will have a button just at the center, sign up for free. Okay, I click on this button and it will come up with a short form that you have to put your email ID here. Okay, so let's get a trash mail, getairmail.com. Generally I'm not going to use this account since I have already a ready account for this tutorial. I will be showing all the detailed features and services from this account. Alright, I will be using this email ID in order to show you how to sign up for MailChimp. Okay, all you need to do, you need to head over to this page, login.mailchimp.signup. On here, simply insert your first email ID, then the first name, then the last name. I'm sorry, yeah, this is the username and this is the password. And definitely you have to make sure the password should have one lowercase character, one special character, one uppercase character, and minimum 8 characters and one number. So I'm gonna use one of my password anyways, so it is showing that the password is secure and you are all set. Just click on get started. I'm saving this password since okay, we have sent a message to zamrigbxf@mail.com. Open it up and click activate your account. So I just need to wait for a while to receive the email. Alright, so finally the email to activate our account has been arrived. Just click over here and there should have a button or link to activate the account. Click here, confirm you're human. Alright, so let me open here. Alright, I'm not a robot. So welcome to MailChimp. So there are several steps to complete in order to make our account secure and complete. Okay, what is your first name? For example, the first name may be Borhan. What is the last name? Borhanuddin. Next, click on continue. Later on, tell us about your business. Let us know a little bit more about what you do. This information will appear in your emails to help your recipients to find your organization. Basically, this is the information you need to add so that MailChimp can mention this information at the very footer area so that the subscribers of your business or company can really trust you that you are the person or you are the business or you are the company all about. So what is the name of your business? Let's say pages.com, which is my business website or my business platform. And what is your website? Let me write down the website address here. If you do not have any website, simply you can add your social media profile, a link or LinkedIn link or any link over here. Okay, and if you don't have a website, there is a short notice. You can use your Facebook or Twitter URL as well. Okay, after filling up this information, click on continue, and next it's asking for the address of your business, and it should be the physical address. Okay. Generally, if you want to send any email to your subscribers, or in order to promote any product or services, you have to mention your contact address, contact mailing address, since this is an international anti-spam law. Okay. If you need to know more about this, so you can visit this page, kb.mailchimp.com, account compliance tips and the time of use and anti-spam requirements. Alright, so let me share the address. Simple, just a house number and the road number, and all you need to do, you need to insert your home address or your business address. That should be a physical address. Okay. Dhaka. Okay, perfect. So let's click on continue. Yes. Next page will ask you, does your business sell anything online? That means, is your business online based, I mean web based? If you sell online, we will help you get your store integrated with your account, so you can send targeted emails to e-commerce customers, track ROI and more. So let me inform you that Mailchimp integrate almost hundreds of CRM, Shopify, CRM or shopping cart softwares like BigCommerce, Magento, WooCommerce, even Shopify. So if you use any of these platforms to sell your services or products online, so definitely you can connect your website right here, right from this page. Okay. If you want to add those applications or want to connect your website with Mailchimp later, you can also do that. So we are not going to add this, we are not going to connect our website right now. So click on no and then click on continue, and connect your social media. If you want to connect right now, you can also simply click here and it will ask you for the in order to log in to your Facebook account. And if you want to, same thing for Twitter as well, if you want to just connect your Twitter account, so simply you can click on connect and then you can continue. Okay, so it says the account is ready. Okay, come on in, let's set up your list and build the campaign you dream about. Mailchimp, just before 2017, it was not too much interactive, like asking these informations in order to create your any part of your profile. Anyway, subscribe to getting started. Alright, and want to kickstart your Mailchimp skills? No problem, Mailchimp will send me some of the emails in order to teach me or educate me or you on how to use Mailchimp's